Hello everyone, so we're here from this analyze of these games here from this one in Philippine Women's World Cup 2025 seconds. Today is round number 4 from this one. So after finishing round number 3, so today's proceed now round number 4. So if you win all these games, we'll proceed from this round of 16 of this one, top 16 from this one. And also the time clocks here within 1 hour and 30 minutes from this one long game or round robin from this one. So so yep, so two games analyzed here from this one. So and also a between from this grandmaster in China, Tan Zhongyi, versus from this international master in Ukraine is Yulia Osma from this one. So if you lose of these games, you will knock out from this one, you will eliminate from this one in these tournaments here. So two games analyzed here from this one. So in this part of this video, we have analyzed of these chess games in this round number 4. So white plays Tan is d4, knight f6 Julia, c4, e6 East Indian defense, knight c3, bishop b4 is called Nimso Indian defense, and F3 is called Nimso Indian defense. So that means so it's called by Nimso Indian defense Kimak variation. So it means without Kimak variation from this one. So these are the main line is used by here by E3, knight F3, and A3. So A3 here from this one. So it means Tan is moved by F3 is called Kimak variation. And also d5. So without d5 by Yulia here from this one, and a3 with a threat by bishop, and backwards bishop e7, e4. Oh, these are the called triple pass pawn. So these are triple pass pawns here from this one, and takes, takes, and also c5. So these are cf5 here from this without decided by pawns here, and also d5, takes, takes, castle kingside by Yulia of the casting. So upcoming here, Yulia upcoming casting inside. So upcoming casting and Yulia casting inside here from this one, and bishop e2. Oh, without idea to knight to f3, upcoming by casting by Tan. So these are the continuations here. And also bishop d6. So bishop d6 and knight b5. These are novelty by Tan. So these are threatening by bishop here from this one. So these are novelty. Novelty from this king from Tan. So these are the old main 9 is knight f3. Knight f3 is a good novelty. So novelty is knight b5 by Tan. So it means Tan Zhongyi, and also rook e8. Without idea by pin by checking. So it means without king by check here from this one, and knight f3. That knight f3. So upcoming by castling by Tan. Castling kingside. And also bishop g4. With a tempos attacks by knights or threatening by knights here. Castle kingside by Tan. a6 with a threatening by knights. Tempos attacks by knights here from this one, and knight takes capture, takes h3 with a threatening by bishop or tempos attacks by bishop here from this one, and bishop h5, bishop d3. The bishop d3 by Tan Zhongyi. And also knight e7. With the idea to move by knight to e5, knight to e5 or knight to b6. We have knight to b6 here from this one. Also queen d2. With the queen d2 by Tan Zhongyi here from this one, and b5. With the b5 or controls here without upcoming by captured. Captured. Bishop takes captured. So these are continuations, and e3 without defense, and takes rook ab8, without rook b8 here from this one, and Queen f4 without tempos attacks by queens, and Julia accept takes, and also rook b3 with idea by tempos attacks by bishop. So without threatening by bishops here from this one, and bishop f5 with idea by attacking this knight. So attacking this one by knights here from this one, and takes, rook takes, rook to rook without upcoming rook to rooks here from this one, and rook takes knight e5 with idea to threats by pawns, threatening by pawns or attacking by double pawns here from this one without attacking here this one, and bishop takes captured, takes, and bishop c8. Oh, so it means these are the rules. The idea to tempos attacks by bishop. So rook takes e5 and bishop c8 by Tan Zhongyi, a5 by Julia, king f2. So it means king f2 is does not want of this computer engine by Tan. So the best moves there is king g3. King g2, sorry, so it means king g2. So without king g2 here from this one, king g2 is the best moves. After is king f2 and rook e8 good move with the idea to threaten by bishop attacking this one, bishop here from this one, and bishop a6, rook b8 another good move by Julia with the idea to threat by b2 check. Without check here. So without attacking this check, rook d1, rook b2 check, king e3, king f8. Without king must be active, and e6 with the idea by push or promotes queen. There's our promotes queen here for this one. Knight d7, so these are the with idea by forward to knight to b8 without tempos attacks by bishop, so it means bad move by Julia. The best moves there is rook b8 check. So rook b8 check with your king e2 and rook takes capture. So these are the slightly better from blacks. After is knight d7 with idea more my move by knight to b8. So these are threatening by bishops here from this one, and bishop b5 without good move or threatened by knights. Targets by knights here from this one, and king a8, rook e1 with idea by here without king to f4 or without check or without targets by checks here from this one, and king d8, king d3 good move, another good move by Tan, knight f6 without knight f6 here, and also rook e7 check, king c2 threatening by rooks, takes captured, and rook a7 with the idea by attacking this one by pawns or attacking this one, or rooks are captured attacks this one, and also king c8. So king c8 here from this one or without king c8, and the last shot bishop c6. So bishop c6 or with the idea by threatening by rooks, the targets by rooks, so it means resigns by Julia. Why she resigns? Because because if you move by here, rook takes a3, only move, and also rook d7, and on pawn d7 check, and also king on d7, and also king d8, and promotes queen d8 queen captured, and you check, sorry, the queen a8 check, and also king d8 and king b6 and queen d7 mating net. So mating net by here by black. So lose from this Julia. So winning from this one, score by Stan 97.4 and Julia 89.2. Winner by Grandmaster Tan Zong. So next game 2 from this round number 4. So let's see of this game. So let's see. So the next game 2 from this round number 4. So interchange white and black pieces here. So white pieces between International Master Yulia from Ukraine and versus the black pieces from Grandmaster in China Tan. In this part of this video, we have analyzed of these chess games in this round number 4 game number 2. Knight f3 by Yulia, d5 by Tan, g3, g6 is called double fianchetto's variation from King's Indian attacks, and also bishop g2 by Yulia by upcoming by castling inside by Yulia from this one, and also bishop g7 and d4 and knight f6 by Tan without coming by castling inside by Tan Zhongyi here from this one. So it means coming castling. Castle kingside by Yulia, castling by Tan, and also c4. So it means c4 by Yulia. So these are the main lines is rook e1. Rook e1 by Yulia. Smack here from this one. So it means rook e1. So c4 by choose by move by Yulia, and also c6 by defense by pawns. Knight c3. We have knight c3. So it means these are the sacrifice. So these are sacrificed by pawns here from this one. So sacrificed by pawns and captured, and also e4. Without e4 by Yulia, upcoming by push by e5, without threats by attacks by knights here from this one, without attacking this one. And also b5 by develops by pawns. So it means these are the develops here from this one, and queen a2. With the idea to move here by rook d1 by Yulia and rook to d1. So rook to d1 by here from this one. So it means develops. And also e5 by Tan. Rook d1. We have rook d1 by Yulia by pinning by queen. So these are the pinnings here from this one. So pinning by queens here. Bishop b7. Push e5 by Yulia. Upcoming by attacks by threatening by knights. Here from this one without threatening. Knight d5 by Tan Zhongyi, or attacking this one by knights. Captured by knights here from this one. And push d6. Push e6 by Yulia by attacking this pawn. Without attacking here from this one. And also f5. F5 by without 3 moves by Tan Zhongyi here. So these are the pawn without f5 without 1, 2, 3 from the 3 moves here. And also knight g5. So it means so knight g5 is novelty by Yulia Osmak from this game. So these are the old main line. First is bishop to g5. Second is capture this knight. Knight takes captured. So capture this one, good novelty. Third novelty is knight g5 by Yulia Osmak here from this one, and knight a6, knight f7. Sacrifice. So I don't know what knight f5, knight f7 by Yulia, or maybe here by defense by pawns. So it means without defense, or move here inside by entering by knight f7 here by Yulia, and queen c8. Queen c8, angry by computer. Why you move right side queen c8? So it means robotic. So queen c8 is does not want this computer by Tan. Bad move. So the best moves there is queen c7. Queen c7 here from these determinations on this one. So it means queen c7 is best moves. After is queen c8 by Tan Zhongyi, and takes captured bishop h6. Sacrifice, or maybe good move by Yulia Osmak by coming by captured by pawns. I mean bishop. Sorry, it was captured by bishop here. And Tan Zhongyi captured this bishop. Knight takes capture check. King g7, threatening by knights, or tempos attacks by attacking this knight here from this one. knight f7. No, without knight f7, so it means knight f7. So the puzzle, so what do you think the new sacrifice brilliant move by Grandmaster Tan Zong in China? So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much and congrats for everyone. Rook takes captured knight. The rook! I thought Gotham chess set. So it means without rook takes captured, f7 sacrifice, brilliant move, and pawn takes captured rook. So it means pawn takes captured rook here from this one, and queen d7. Oh, queen d7. So it means without queen d7 here from this one. So for example, so in next step, why don't we capture king takes pawn? King takes f7. So what do you think from this one? And oh, rook to e1. Rook to e1. Ah, without attacking this pawn, threatening by pawns or check. So these are the slightly betters here. So back there, queen d7 by Tan Zhongyi here from this one without queen d7 and rook e1. Oh, the idea to threat by check. Oh, I don't know without threatening here from this one. So it means rook e1 is bad move by Yulia Osmak. So it means the best moves there. So it means the best moves there is knight b5. Oh, knight b5 captured. Ah, knight takes b5. Boom. Knight takes captured, sacrifice. Ah, without sacrifice and or maybe here by sacrifice here. Decided is queen takes captured. Queen takes captured here and captured. I'll capture this one. Slightly better here from this one. Better from this, etc. etc. So these are the slightly better goods here from this one. So black takes rook e1 without queens behind the rooks or threatening by pawns. So it means threatening by pawns here. King takes captured. Oh, king takes captured and knight takes captured. Sacrifice. Oh, sacrifice here. That sacrifice and knight b4. So if you capture this queen takes knight here from this one, captured pawn check. So captured. So captured here from this one. These are the examples. So it means threatening check. So back there it is knight e4 without move by Tan Zhongyi and e4 knight e3 without threatening by rooks. So it means without threatening by rooks here from this one without attacking these rooks. Rook ed1 bishop c6 without threatening by knights. Tempos attacks by knights here from this one. And also b3 sacrificed by pawns by Yulia and takes, pawn takes, queen takes without threatening by pawns. So threatening by pawns here from this one and rook ab1 defense by the box by pawns and go back queen d7, queen d2, so it means queen behind the rook, so it means another bad move by computer. So the best moves there is capture this one pawns, b takes c4. So if you d takes c4 here from this one and queen a2. Oh, threatening by pawns without pinning or pin by check. So these are slightly better from whites here. So slightly better here. Back there is queen d2. Oh, without defense here. And a4 takes, takes, and also queen h6, king g8. Oh, without king g8. So So queen h6 with the tempos attacks by pawns or check. So it means king g8 by defense by Tan Songi. Rook d2, without battery. So it means without battery here. On this one. And queen a7. So it means queen a7 without develops by pawns. Queen e3, e5. Oh, sacrifice. Takes. Queen takes. Oh, sacrifice. Sacrifice. Oh, without queen. Also, it means without use by queen to queen. Queen to queen by this one and Tanzongi accept queen takes, pawn takes. King f7. Rook d6. Here, good move by Yulia. So it means double. So double by rooks by Yulia and knights and rooks by Tan Song. So it means without movement, two pieces. Rook e1 check, king g2, g5, rook d6, knight e1 check, king f2 good move, knight d3 check, king g2, knight e1 check, king f2, knight d3 check, king g2. So it means the last shot from this round. So round number 4, game number 2. So it means 3 repetitions draw on game number 2. So the score from white pieces, Julia's 96.1 and black pieces, Red Tanis 95.8. So winning by Julia. So it means the score from this round number 2 game 1 and 2. So it means, oh, so the score of this one is 0.5 and 1.5. So it means Yulia is a knockout eliminator of this game. So congratulations Grandmaster Tan Zhongyi, winning from this one. Will proceed from this round 16 from this one in this round of 16 from Tan Zhongyi. So congratulations Tan Zhongyi from winning from this one. So these are the final results from this afters round number 4. So let's see from this one. So and Tanzongi by score. So Tanzongi score 1.5 and Yulia Osmak is 0.5. So Tanzongi proceed from this round of 16 from this one, top 16. And also, so International Master Yu Xin Xiong from China and International Master Lela Chavakishvili. So the score 1. So proceed by Yu Xin Xiong from round number 16. And also, oh, so third 18G and Omida from this one. So score 1.5 and Omida Omonova 0.5. So the 18G is proceed from this round of 16 from this one from these games. So it means these are the 3 from this. Congratulations by Leiting Chi, Yu Xin Xiong from this China and Tanzoni. 3 same from China here from this one. So it means, so I thought, oh, so it means these are Vaishalis and Merwood Kamali Delnova from Kazakhstan. So same by 1, tie all 1 from this one. So it means I hope that this part of this video here from this one. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Lodi 17, aka HighCoolMark17. Have a good day and keep safe and keep updates of this next chess update. So I'm gonna rest by this one. I'm gonna study my review by interview. Goodbye.